Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to create your online banking account for MBNA. In order to create your online banking account, first of all you need to go ahead and install the application, or else you could also use the web browser. So in my case I'm going to use the web browser, but I'm going to show you the procedure what you have to do in order to use the application. First thing, you'll have to install it, open up your respective app store, and then on the search box type in MBNA and then press the install button and install the application. Once the application is completely installed, then press on the open button and click the sign up or registered button. So in my case I'm going to go with the web browser, so type in mbna.co.uk/sign up. When you type in the link, it's going to take you to the registration page. Here you could tap the menu bar and you could go ahead and select register for online services, or you could go ahead and press on register. When you press on it, then it's going to take you to the other field where you need to go ahead and enter in or give information regarding your credit card and then the loan history if you have any. Or you could go ahead and tap the register here button. Now you could start registering for your MBNA mobile banking app. So type in or give your information accordingly. You have to go through several steps, like providing your personal information, your contact details, and creating your login credential and all that. Once you've done that, you'll have successfully created or registered for the online banking account of MBNA. So that's basically how you can create your online banking account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.